Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. Today, you know what's on the agenda? Because we've been watching football. Of course, my team lost. We're going to have some nachos, okay? So, let's get ready. I got my ground meat right here. Kind of simmering in the pot. So I have a onion, medium size. I have some rotel with chili with jalapenos. I got some cream of mushroom soup. I got 1 cup of milk, and then I have my block cheese. And I'm actually gonna put that in the microwave and kind of let that melt slowly. So we'll be right back. Now that my ground meat is almost done, I'm gonna actually add my onions into it. Because I like to saute them pretty soft. And actually, you don't necessarily have to use ground meat. You can also use ground turkey if you like. It sounds like my cheese. Now that my meat and the onions my meat is completely cooked and my onions are sauteed, I'm gonna add that top Texas spice to it. And meanwhile, I still have my cheese actually being melted in the microwave, and I'm taking it out and I stir it from time to time. Normally take about 7 minutes to actually get the cheese completely melted. And this is how you want your cheese to look. You want it real creamy. Perfecto. You always want to make sure that you drain your meat because you want to get all that excess grease. I try to use a lean meat when I'm using it, of course. That right there is your finishing product. And that's the show for today. We had nachos, and I want to thank you for following Big Daddy's Cooking Show. And if you want to become a person that comes on our show or a business to advertise, just hit us up below and you'll see our information. And last but not least, be sure